Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Sukrit Singhal. I got an All India rank of 1226 in NEET PG 2024 and I'm currently pursuing my MD in Respiratory Medicine from Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute in New Delhi. With NEET PG 2025 results announced, I congratulate everyone who got a good rank. And with the counseling process just about to begin, I know many of you will be in a dilemma about which branch to take and which institute to take it in. I faced similar dilemma last year and I just wanted to share my thoughts and my experiences and why I ultimately chose MD Respiratory Medicine. And with the help of this video, I just hope that I'll help some of you make a more informed decision about your career. So let's begin. I did my MBBS from UCMS New Delhi and I completed it in 2023. I have lived in Delhi my whole life and I was born here. Everyone said that choose branch, not the place. Choose the branch you want in any place you can get. But leaving Delhi was just not an option for me. For my personal preferences and just about everything I know, I wanted to stay in Delhi, so I chose Delhi. And I wanted to take a branch that I could get in Delhi. So at my rank, most of the high clinical branches that are radiology, dermatology, and MD medicine were just not possible in DU. And frankly, I didn't want any surgical branches as I didn't have any interest in surgical branches at all. So that left me with the very few options that were actually available for me. That being DNB medicine, pediatrics, psychiatry, respiratory medicine, and a few other branches like emergency medicine and nuclear medicine. So, out after this thinking and deliberately making my decision, I narrowed it down to final three choices: pediatrics, respiratory medicine, and DNB medicine. But I thought that I just cannot deal with kids and children my whole life, so I didn't take pediatrics and ultimately was left with just two options: DNB medicine and MD respiratory medicine. I was getting DNB in most of the colleges, I think in every college in Delhi that I could get. And I was getting MD Respiratory Medicine from one of the best institutes in the country for respiratory medicine, that being Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute. So after talking to consultants, residents and PGs in both DNB hospitals for medicine and Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, I finally saw that I had two paths which I could take. First path was taking the branch which was my first choice, that being medicine, but from a institute or a hospital which was not that well recognized and was only average in academics. On the other hand, I had the option of choosing a branch which was not really my first option, that being respiratory medicine, but from one of the best colleges in the country for that branch, that being Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute. Also, there is always a debate of MD versus DNB, and I know that the line between the two is thinning out fast. And maybe in future there won't be much difference between the two, but I still preferred an MD degree over a DNB degree, personally for me. And so ultimately, I finally made the choice of choosing MD Respiratory Medicine over DNB Medicine because I valued the institute, I valued the legacy it held, and the name it held. VPCI offers everything that a pulmonary medicine resident needs in their career, and just the name speaks volumes in this branch. And everyone knows about Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute. So that was why I chose this. At Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, you get strong academics, you get a operation theatre where we do all kinds of bronchoscopic procedures, being it EBUS, bronchoscopy, cryobiopsy, and many other things. Plus, we have our own ICU, which we handle with efficiency. And we see every case that you want to see in a respiratory medicine residency. And it is a referral center, so you get all kinds of referrals here, and you'll see just about everything there is to see in respiratory medicine. Plus, on the other hand, the consultants are great, and the senior junior relationship here is really great as well. So, I finally made the choice of choosing this institute and this branch over DNB medicine, a branch which I initially preferred. But combining all the other factors and my personal preferences in life, the things just turned out that I took MD Respiratory Medicine in Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute. So, to summarize, I know that everyone always says to just take your branch and not think about anything else, but that was not an option for me. I chose my place, I chose my institute, and I chose my branch. I chose all three. Maybe if I had a rank at which Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute was not an option, I may not have taken respiratory medicine as my career option, but instead would have taken DNB medicine at any other hospital. But at my rank, VPCI offering MD Respiratory Medicine and it being a great institute and being in my home place, Delhi, I chose it over anything else and I didn't look back. And after 7 months of residency, I can say that I'm happy with the choice I made and I'm excited for what the future holds for me in this branch. In the end, I would just like to say to every one of you that this was my own journey, my own experiences, and my own life choices. And there's no one right path for everyone. Everyone has different priorities and different needs in life, and everyone has their own path. Whatever decision you'll make today will decide the path for you in the future. So make an informed decision, make the decision that is right for you and not for anyone else. Listen to others, but ultimately choose the path which you feel is the right path for you. There's no one right path and there's no single path. Everyone has their own path. And with that, I'd like to end this video and I thank every one of you for watching this. If you have any queries about counseling, about MD Respiratory Medicine, feel free to contact me anytime and message me and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.